Hello my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you a very so surprising way to heal cracked heels, and remove all of those strong stuff around that place. Okay, now the thing is that some years ago when my grandmom used to use this method, I was kind of, wow, it was very hot, it's kind of this, but it works like so well. So that is actually what I'm going to be showing you today, with other things to make it faster. Okay, so if you want to know what comprises of my crack heel home remedy, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video. Also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button, that way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, please do that on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, let's jump right into this video. The first remedy we're gonna be needing for cracked heels, we're gonna be needing candle. Are you surprised? Yeah, don't be, because we're gonna be using this a whole lot. So if you have cracked heels, pay attention to this video, because this remedy is just gonna help you so much in getting rid of cracked heels. Okay, so I'm actually just putting my hands here because the background is white, and so you can see what I'm holding here. Okay, of course, you know where you can buy candle, in a grocery store or in a local market. You can buy candle anywhere. Okay, it's very easy to locate. And the very next ingredient we're going to be needing for cracked heels will be bicarbonate of soda, which is the same thing as baking soda. Okay, baking soda is a mild exfoliating property that makes your skin looks great. It helps to banish acne and pimples from your skin. It is safe to be used on the face as well. Okay, baking soda helps dry out the pimples, and its antibacterial property helps prevent further breakout on the skin. Now, to dilute our baking soda, we're going to be needing pure organic coconut oil. Coconut oil is used in many natural recipes, just like you've seen me use a whole lot. It's naturally antibacterial and also antifungal in nature. It is excellent in moisturizing the skin. It can penetrate the hair better than any other oil. It can also penetrate the skin. Okay, it smells really well, and it's also great. Mixing it with bicarbonate of soda would help to heal cracked heels, and it will exfoliate the dead skin cells around that part. Okay, so now how we're gonna be mixing all our ingredients together. Okay, so you have to give a close attention to this. Okay, so first we're gonna be preparing the candle, and you're gonna be needing a rubber bowl, to put that in. Okay, so I'm gonna be cutting the candle. So I'm gonna try to cut this candle in a way that I will be able to just break it and put it inside this bowl. Okay, so I'm just cutting it in bits and in bits. Okay, so just like this, and a little would go a long way. So this is how I'm gonna be breaking it. Okay, so it's kind of difficult, and I don't want to wound my hand or something. Okay, so I'm gonna be cutting that in. Alright, so that's easy to cut, so let me do that to this one too. Alright, so we actually don't need the thread in this candle though, so I'm just gonna be putting that in like this. Okay, so we're gonna be melting this stuff, and you can melt it any way you want. You can use the double boiling method, which I'm gonna be pouring hot water into this bowl, and then I'll just leave the candle here to melt. Okay, so or you can actually just put this into a microwave, and then you just microwave all of this and melt it. Okay, if this is going to be a longer process of melting, I hope it's not going to be a longer process of melting. Okay, so I'm gonna set this aside. Yeah, it has actually started melting. Yes, look at that, it has actually started melting. Okay, so I'm gonna set this aside. Then I'm going to prepare the baking soda and the coconut oil. Okay, so let me set this aside. So to prepare the baking soda, we're gonna be needing the small bowl, needing 1 tablespoon of that. Now you can take 2 tablespoons if you want to scrub your 2 heels. Okay, but for me, I'm just going to be showing you guys this, so I'm going to be using this 1 tablespoon for the 2 heels. Then to mix this all up, I'll be needing 1 teaspoon of the coconut oil. That is actually not going to be enough, so I'm going to be needing 1 more of that. So it's going to be 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil. So you put 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and then you mix all the ingredients together, and yep, this is the consistency you're going to get. Well, when it's this consistency, is actually very friendly. Okay, somehow, but of course it's not crap. So what you do is that you take this treatment, and then you would scrub your heels with it. Okay, this is the first one you're going to do. Okay, you scrub your heels with this. Scrub it really well. If you would need a brush to do that, you can go ahead. A brush that is actually very strong. Okay, so you scrub your heels with it. You can also scrub your leg with it, so it can soften your leg. Okay, so scrub all of this parts with this. Try to do it this way. Okay, all right, so after you're done scrubbing, you have to leave this. For me, I just love to scrub all of my body with baking soda and coconut oil. You can see I have a lot of follicles on my skin. Okay, so I scrub a whole lot. All right, so after you scrub, you have to leave this for like 1 more minute. So I'm gonna go wash this out, and I'll be back with the second candle treatment. So what I did is that I actually put it on the fire straight ahead like this with this stainless bowl, and this is it. Okay, so you're going to take this, and then it's going to be hot though, so let me tell you, you're going to take this. You have to allow it cool down a little bit. Okay, you're going to take this with a brush, and then you're just going to apply this on your crack heels just like this. Okay, so you have to be quicking. It has to be like this. Okay, so it's gonna be a little soft like this. Okay, so you apply it on your heel, on those crack heels. If your heel is actually very cracked, you might decide to make it more hot so that the heat will kill that any wound around there. Okay, so you rub it like this, just like this. You apply it. Okay, all right, so you leave it on for it to be there. You can leave it on for like just leave it on there. If you're in the house, you just leave it there for it to be cool. All right, so when it's cool down completely, you might decide to peel it off like this. Okay, so that's basically how you're going to use this. So whenever you want to use the candle method, you have to dissolve it and then you use it. You have to be careful while dissolving because it's actually very, very hot. Okay, so all right guys, so the thing is that whenever you want to apply this, you have to make a new one though. But if you want to store this, you can actually store it. Okay, it's gonna last long. It's gonna last for like 5 to 1 week. Okay, keeping this because of the coconut oil, so you can actually continue using it, and it's good, just going to be very friendly, and it's going to exfoliate all of those dead skin cells, and your crack heels is going to be healed. Okay, you have to also wear stockings while sleeping. If you have crack heels, you wear stockings, wear a lot of shoes instead of slippers and expose shoes that would expose your heels. So you have to wear cover shoe, okay, that will cover up your shoes. So that's how you're going to prevent it while using this treatment. Okay, so that's it guys. If you've not seen this particular method before, that is just what I've just shown you now. It works like magic. It works really, really fine. Okay, and also if your crack heels are kind of much, you have to like use a little bit of scrub, you know, that thing they buy in the market that looks like crater, and then you scrub it, okay, alongside with the baking soda and coconut oil. It's just going to be so helpful. So that's it guys. If you did love this video, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. And please share this video and follow me on Instagram guys. Drop your questions on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, I will see you soon in my next video. For now, stay beautiful and flawless. Bye guys.